scallion in little rounds. I'm going to cut it all in half and kind of gather it together like this. And you use a nice sharp knife with a good motion as you're slicing. And again, you keep your hand held like a little claw and you're grabbing the vegetable like this and holding it together. You hold it together with these fingers and like this, and then just gently slide it down as you go. And we're going to cut about 1/4 inch rounds on that scallion. You can adjust the amounts. If you like a little more onion, you can do a little more. Now I'm going to just throw the Greek olives right on top. I'm not going to pit them. They're good just like that. And then the feta cheese, you could either cut it in chunks, or I like to just crumble it up. I think it looks pretty just crumbled up. Now when you're serving this at the table, it's nice to bring it to the table like this, just all layered on top of each other. And then you will, let me wash my hands a bit. And then you will dress it with whatever dressing you choose, and then simply toss it gently. So let's choose a dressing. I'm going to use our oregano dressing and just shake that up a bit. And you can pour it over like this, right at the table, and then set it so that if people want a little more dressing, they can have it. And then just gently toss. You don't want to bruise the salad at all. Just mix it up lightly. And that's a beautiful salad to serve.